Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Before I start demonstrating how to make carrot and tomato juice, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anya Almaira Siti Kurnia, but just call me Anya. I'm 9 years old, and now I'm studying at Sumbergedang II Elementary School. The second one, I would like to talk about the importance of the food and drink in keeping our bodies strong and healthy. In today's world, many people suffer from diseases like diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. These are called degenerative disease. One of the ways to prevent this disease is by eating healthy foods, especially those rich in nutrients like vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Drinking natural juices made from fresh vegetables like carrot and tomato juice is a simple and delicious way to support our health and prolong our lives. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which boosts our immune system and keep our eyes and skin healthy. While tomatoes contain lycopene, helps protect us from cancer and heart disease. So, by drinking fresh vegetable juices, we can avoid serious disease and live longer and healthier. Now, I'll show you how to make carrot and tomato juice. First, prepare the ingredients we need: 3 medium-sized carrots, 3 ripe tomatoes, a small pinch of Himalayan rock salt, optional, a teaspoon of lime juice, optional too. Then, here are the tools we are going to use: a slow juicer, a knife with a dark supervision, a chopping board, and a glass. Now, these are the steps to make the juice. First, wash tomatoes and carrot thoroughly under clean running water. Peel the carrots using a vegetable peeler, then cut them into smaller pieces. 3. Cut tomatoes into smaller chunks and remove any hard stems. 4. Turn on the slow juicer. 5. Juice the carrots and tomato. You can alternate between the two to mix flavors evenly. Add a small pinch of salt or a teaspoon of lemon juice. And the last one, pour the juice into a glass and enjoy your fresh healthy carrot and tomato juice. So delicious! Besides the delicious taste of this juice, we also can get some healthy benefits from this juice. They are eyesight improvement, protection of heart, skin as well, and digestion's health. Thank you again for your attention. I hope you found it easy to follow and that you're inspired to try it at home. Remember, taking care of our health starts with the choices we make every day. By choosing to drink fresh vegetable juices, we can help prevent serious disease and live longer and healthier life because you are what you eat. Thank you again for your attention. I hope you enjoy making this juice and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next opportunity. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.